Hello everyone. In this video, we will be learning the two ways to implement a graph. In our previous video, we have recorded the basic terminologies associated with a graph and what actually a graph is. In this video, we are covering two methods to implement a graph. Number one, adjacency matrix, and number two is adjacency list. Okay, so first of all, we will be learning what is an adjacency matrix. Okay, so with the help of an example, first we will learn what it is and then we will implement it in our code. Okay, so we will take a graph first of all. So, okay, so this is the graph we have taken. Now, in adjacency matrix, what we do, we make, suppose we have n nodes here, n nodes. So we will construct a n cross n matrix. ठीक है? Initially it will be filled with zeros and we will mark the column, sorry, we will mark the, okay, so let me draw the matrix first. Okay, so this is a matrix and n cross n matrix, here n is 5, so this is a 5 cross 5 matrix. ठीक है? Initially every cell of the matrix is assigned a value 0 and we will mark every cell 1 only when we will obtain a connection or an edge between the ith node and the jth node. See, what I'm saying is, let me exemplify it once. Okay, so here we go. We constructed a 5 cross 5 matrix. Let's number it. Okay, on similar basis, here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm not writing zeros. Instead, we assume that it is 0. Okay, this is only because it is difficult for me to make zeros everywhere. So these dots represent a 0. Okay, so initially it is 0. Okay, all are 0. Now we see 1 is connected to 2. So 1 is connected to 2. That means this is turned 1. And now we have taken a bidirectional graph. ठीक है, or you can say an undirected graph. Okay, so in this, if 1 is connected to 2, that means 2 is also connected to 1. Okay, so 2 and 1, so this column also gets a 1. Okay, similar way, on a similar way, 1 is connected to 4. ठीक है, so 1 is connected to 4. Oh, sorry, 1 is connected to 4 and 4 is also connected to 1 on the similar basis. Okay, so 4 and 1, this cell also gets a 1. 1, ठीक है. Okay. Now no more one is connected to any node. So rest all the things will be zero. This is a zero, this is a zero, and this is a zero. Okay. Then we come to 2. 2 is connected to 1. We have already marked 1. And 2 is also connected to 3. So this also needs to be 1. And rest since okay. 2 is connected to 3. Just give me a second. And 3 is also connected to 2. I've already explained it. This also gets 1, and 2 is also connected to 4. So 2 comma 4 will be 1, as well as 4 comma 2 will be 1. 4 comma 2. ठीक है? And 2 is not connected to 3 and 2 and 5. See, in this adjacency matrix, element connected to itself is not considered a case, so these all are 0. ठीक है? This is 0. Elements on prime diagonal are always 0 in case of an adjacency matrix. Okay, remember this. Okay, all these are 0. 5 is not considered to be connected to 5. This is the case I'm telling you. Okay, now 2 is not connected to 5 as well, so it will be a 0. Okay, then it comes to 3. 3 is only connected to 2 and we have already marked that one. Rest everything will be 0. Okay. Then we come to 4 and 4 is not connected to 3 but 4 is connected to 5, so we will mark it 1. And also 5 is connected with 4, so we will also mark this one as 1. Okay, rest everything will be 0. So this is, you have created an adjacency matrix. Okay, ये हमारे adjacency matrix बन के तैयार हो चुके हैं यहाँ पे. This is a complete adjacency matrix. ठीक है. Now let's just discuss its disadvantages. Why we need adjacency list? There are some disadvantages of it. Disadvantages of adjacency matrix. Okay, number one thing. It takes a space of n cross n or n cross m, whatever be the case. Not always there are n nodes and n edges. That is not all the case always. Okay, n cross m. Now suppose we have n as 10 to the power 5 and m also 10 to the power 5. So it will take a complete space of 10 raised to the power 10, which is not feasible. Okay, so we avoid adjacency matrix when n and m are having value in such like 10 raised to the power 5, 10 raised to the power 6, 10 raised to the power 4. We avoid it. Okay, it is only permissible when we have 10 raised to the power up till 10 raised to the power 3. Okay, 10 raised to the power 6 is permissible. Okay, now you can also see the disadvantage in this. See, when 1 is not connected to 3 and 5, this space has been wasted in marking a 0. If we don't mark it 0, anyways it is fine. But marking it with a 0 is wasting my space. Okay, so I don't want to waste my space. Okay, so this is not valid, or sorry, this is not accurate when we have n and m a very large value. This is its major drawback. Okay, then we comes to adjacency list. Now we will explain what is adjacency list. Adjacency list is nothing but developed more finalized version of adjacency list only. In this adjacency, what happens in adjacency list, whatever cells are marked 0, we will not consider them into our graph implementation. See, what I'm saying is, let's just erase it or make a new snipping tool area. Wait a minute. ठीक है, तो अब हम बताते हैं एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट होती क्या है. ठीक है, हमने एडजेसेंसी मैट्रिक्स बनाई. मैं ग्राफ बना लेती हूँ वापस से. ये 1 था कनेक्टेड टू 2. 2 किससे कनेक्टेड था? 3 से. 2 4 से भी था. 4 is connected to 5 and 1 is connected to 4. This is what we have drawn in the graph. Okay, so what we do in adjacency list, we take a map. ठीक है, map of list, sorry, map of int. ठीक है, comma list. ठीक है, list. Don't worry, I will show you in the coding part as well. You can even ignore it here right now since it is not looking good. ठीक है. Okay, fine. So you assume right now that we have taken a map whose key is an integer and whose value is a vector or list. Okay. Now what we do? One is our first element. Okay. We will store all the elements in the map. Sorry, all the elements in the vector which are directly connected to one. See, in this case, 2 and 4 are directly connected to 1. So we will push these two elements into our vector. Okay, these are the direct neighbors of 1. Okay, then we comes to 2. I told you earlier in adjacency matrix case also that this is an undirected graph. So if 1 is a neighbor of 2, then 2 is also a neighbor of 1. So include 1, 3 and 4 in the adjacency list. Okay, then comes 3. 3 is only connected to 2. So this will 2 will go into the vector. Okay, then 4 is connected to 1, 2 and 5. 1, 2 and 5. ठीक है, 5 is connected to 4 only. So this is how we created our adjacency list. ठीक है, you can see that no that we have ignored all the nodes that have no connection with one or no connection with any node. We won't include that in our vector. ठीक है, so this is very space consuming. I'll show you another diagram. ठीक है, in which the concept of adjacency list will be more clear to you. See, in this, actually, what is an adjacency list? It is just like an adjacency matrix, but in this case, each column has a variable length of. ठीक है, in this we have in adjacency list we have a freedom that any cell can have a variable length of vector attached to it. ठीक है, सपोज यहाँ पर 3 का स्पेस है, 1 2 3 का. यहाँ पर हो सकता है दो ही चाहिए हो, मेरे को दो ही एलिमेंट्स कनेक्टेड हो, तो उस हिसाब से वेरिएबल स्पेस आप ले सकते हो आराम से. ठीक है, तो जो 0 0 हमने लिखे थे वो जो स्पेस खा रहे थे वो स्पेस हमने यहाँ पे बचा ली है. दिस इज व्हाट वी डू इन एडजेसेंसी लिस्ट. ठीक है, नाउ with this we move to the implementation part. ठीक है, आई हैव क्रिएटेड अ बॉयलर प्लेट इनिशियली ओनली. ठीक है, तो इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं हम. सबसे पहले हम इंटीजर लेंगे कितने नोड्स आप देने वाले हैं हमें. ठीक है, 3 and then we will have n lines of code, n lines of input. Below that that gives two integers. Just give me a second. That gives me two integers. That signifies that u is connected to v. Okay, int u and int v. Okay, so we will take input of u v. ठीक है, now let me take a map first. ठीक है, map of int vector int. You can have char, float, anything. I'm taking it map of int. Okay, now what we will do, just see carefully and I will explain it later on. Mu dot pushback v and vice versa u. Okay, अब इस स्टेटमेंट को लिखकर मैंने क्या किया है ये समझने की कोशिश करिए आप. ठीक है, जब मैंने इसको लिखा तो मैंने क्या बोला कि जैसे ये हमारे पास ग्राफ था ना, 1 2 3 4 5। ठीक है, तो मैं अब कह क्या रही हूँ इसे करने को, देखो, मैप ऑफ यू, यहाँ पर हमारा यू जो है ये की होता है, और एम ऑफ यू लिखने से क्या हो जाता है कि हम उसके वैल्यू को रेफर करते हैं। दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली अ मैप रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज। ठीक है, in this case u is an integer, key is an integer, okay, no problem, but the node, the value is a vector. So what we did, m of u dot pushback v, तो मैंने क्या बोला, m of 1 dot pushback 2, तो अभी हम वेक्टर में हमने क्या पुश कर दिया 2, इससे डायरेक्ट इससे कनेक्टेड था। उसके बाद हमने क्या बोला, m of v dot pushback u, तो उल्टा भी करेंगे हम, अगर 1 2 का नेबर है तो 2 भी 1 का नेबर है, तो हमने क्या किया, जो हमारे पास ये 1 का मैप बन रहा है हमारा, ये की हो गई, और इसके नोड में इसकी वैल्यू में हमने क्या पुश कर दिया, अभी 2 कर दिया, इसके वेक्टर में हमने पुश, और सिमिलर बेस पैटर्न पे 2 के वेक्टर में मैंने पुश कर दिया पहले से 1। ठीक है, ये वेक्टर बन रहा है, अभी धीरे धीरे बन रहा है, ये तैयार हो जाएगा पूरा अभी। ठीक है, दिस इज व्हाट वी डिड राइट नाउ। ओके, सो एवरी टाइम इट विल टेक 2 integers and make a connection between them. This is what happens. Okay, so with this statement, these 4 lines of statement, we, sorry, 5 lines, map भी तो लेंगे ना, we have implemented our graph. Now you want to see the output. Okay, for int I barabar 0. Okay, wait, auto it belongs to map cout it dot first. ठीक है, ये हमने करा दिया पहले। ठीक है, और उसके बाद अब आगे तो एक वेक्टर है वैल्यू में, तो हम वेक्टर की तरह चलेंगे, for auto I belongs to it dot second। ठीक है, it dot second is a vector, cout it dot second, sorry, not it, it will be t, cout t dot only t, cout t। ठीक है, ठीक है, and after each line we will give a break, cout handle, let's see it whether it will work fine or not। ठीक है, 5 हमने ले लिया, हमारे पास होंगे 1 is connected to 2, wait a second, I have taken numbers from 1 to 5 ना, so I need to make a graph from 1 to n। ठीक है, वरना वो लास्ट की वैल्यू उठाएगा नहीं, रन टाइम एरर आ जाएगा। 1 2, and 1 is also connected to 4, then 2 is connected to 4, 2 is connected to 5, 5 से था नहीं, एक सेकंड, just let me see, 2 is connected to 3 and 1, so 2 is connected to 1, 2 is connected to 3, 3 is then, okay, we won't write 2 to 1, it is automatically understood। Okay, 1 4 2 4 2 3, फिर 4 and 5, I think this is only, and how many these are, yeah, 5। Okay, so let's just run this। Okay, so it is working perfectly fine, you can see, just give me a second। Yeah, so 1 is connected to 2 and 4 as we have already seen, then 2 is connected to 1 4 and 3 as clear from the input as well, and from the diagram also I have shown you earlier, then 3 is only connected to 2, 4 is connected to 1 to 5, and 5 is connected to 4। With this, we have implemented our graph successfully. We have implemented our adjacency list successfully. Okay, so thank you for this video, and if you have any doubts, feel free to post it in the comment section. Thank you.